Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find the best items on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Of course, then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Etsy if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the categories where you can check out all of the categories. We have the search where you can search for stuff. And you have everything about your profile in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find the best items on Etsy. Well, of course, it depends what the best item is for you. So maybe it's something more expensive but better, or maybe something less expensive but worse in a manner. So basically where you can go and find your things and your items is, as I already told you, in the top left corner where you can see all the categories which you can check. You have the gift mode also where you have the Halloween shop where you can see some Halloween stuff as it is coming at the moment. You can see your home favorites and all these things, and of course if you want to find the items that you already know what item you want. So you want a black simple t-shirt, you can just go and type in that in the search bar, black t-shirt, and you will get it when you click the search bar, and here you have black t-shirt. So as you can see, so guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.